Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, I want to help you with your Shopify store how to find a winning product to sell. So there's a lot of videos on this and there's so many different ways to find a winning product. It's actually pretty easy to find a winning product. The harder part is marketing it. But I'm going to go ahead and help you find a way to find a winning product. At least these are the most common ways that I use. So let's go into my computer. Okay, so the first way that I'm going to show you on how to find a winning product is just to search Aliexpress. You can search Aliexpress, you can search products by order amount, so you can see how many times a product has been ordered. So if I'm here on Aliexpress, you'll see that there's these categories on the left side. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna select one of these categories. I'll check out security. So let's go into the security category, and right up here, you're gonna sort by order value. And this is sorting by the number of times this product has been ordered. Let me change the view here. And you can see this product here has been ordered over 1,700 times, 1,300 times, over 10,000 times, 7,000 times. So these are really good products for you to sell. Now, when I'm looking for a product to sell, I try and find a product that clearly solves a problem. So I want my product to be easy to market for me. And it makes it easy when it clearly solves a problem. That way I can market my product as the solution to that problem. So you can think of things like pain relief or weight loss or cleaning up your life, organization. Those are all big things, and they are very big industries because they solve someone's problem. For this example, for security, this keeps people safe. It solves a problem. The problem is people don't feel safe, whether they're at home or on the go in their car, and you can market this as the solution to their problem. So here's a good product right here. So this is an example of a product I'd like to sell. This is something that you can't really find in a store, or at least you wouldn't think of finding one in the store, and it's unique and it is clearly needed. It's ordered almost 5,000 times. And it solves a problem. It's a light bulb camera. So let's check into this. So this is pretty cool, and it has a video, and you can use bits and pieces of this video or just this video for you to market the product. Not working right now, but yeah, pretty cool product. Light bulb camera. So this would be a good product. Unique, solves a problem, keeps people safe. It's ordered a bunch of times. This would be a good product to sell if you can market it in a way that sells it really well. Another thing I'd like to do is I like to ship from the United States. So, okay, here we go. So this one ships from the United States, same product. Actually, it's out of stock in the United States. But anyway, here we go. Okay, cool. This one ships from the United States. Look at tons of orders, great review. It's only going to be 4 to 10 days shipping through USPS. This is going to be a great product for you guys to sell. But you saw the way I found this, just sort by orders. Let's go back to Aliexpress and let's see. Let's try something else here. Let's do mobile accessories. Maybe there's a cool accessory that you can't really find in a store. So you can see what I'm doing here. In fact, I'm going to reset that. Let's just see if we can find a product first. Okay, orders, we got screen protectors, plugs, cords. These are all things you could find in a store. Okay, this one might be kind of interesting. This is more of a unique product. It's a magnetic USB charging cord, and it's really cheap, but it's kind of cool because you can put on different attachments, and it has a video for you to be able to market it. Let's see. Very strong, okay. Look at that. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can leave the charger inside of there. and then the cord just magnetically, okay, that's pretty cool. All right, so this would be a good product for you to sell, or at least try. You gotta test all these things. I'm not entirely sure these are winning products, but this is how I find them, and then I'll just take ones that I think are winners, and I'll run Facebook ads for them. And I'll just test it and see how it goes and see if it gets some traffic. Here's another winning product for you guys. Look at 67,000 orders. You could probably sell this, you know, I don't know, 10 bucks, 12 bucks or something. That's great. That's pretty cool, actually. So anyway, Aliexpress, that's how you can find winning products. You could also go to Flash Deals. These are typically pretty popular products. Oh, I know this one's killing it right now. This is a really popular product. It's a like a blackhead remover, and I know some people that are doing tens of thousands of dollars a month with this product. And you could easily sell this, you know, $29, $39, and it only costs you $12. But this product is killing it. I know that's a good product. See, this is, again, it's a good product because it's unique. It's something that you most likely can't find in a store, or at least it'd be really hard for you to find in a store. It solves a problem, so in this case, clears up your skin. The second method I want to show you is just searching Facebook for new ads. So let's go to Facebook here, and up here you can actually search. In fact, so you can see I've already searched, but the get yours here, you can search that phrase and then go to posts up here and go to public. And there you go. And then you can see right away, okay. So this, from April 12th, has already gotten 401 comments, 394 shares. So this might be a good product. Let's see what it is. We can click on it. It is a smart case. Oh, okay. The front's clear. Okay, that's kind of neat. Yeah, you could sell something like that. Here's a handheld NES. This got a lot of great comments too. Pretty cool. Okay. And I'm sure you can find these products on Aliexpress. Like here's a pet roller. Ah, okay. Pretty nice. Magnetic lint brush. Okay. Yeah, so clean pet hair. As you can see, this has a bunch of comments. You can see what people are saying about it. Fantastic, you know, it's great. Want a discount. But you can see this is a good product. This is another way to find products. Now, and you could go to see more and just look at all of them. Yeah, look at all the comments and the shares and stuff these things are getting. This is a great way to find products, guys. These wouldn't have so many comments and so many shares on them if they weren't actually making these people money. Because that means these people are still promoting this product because it's probably making them sales. So you can pick any one of these products and just go with it and test them. And Facebook recently released this ad library. So you can actually search Facebook ad library and it will tell you you can see what ads are active right now and what ads are running right now. These are all political, but you can see, guys, see these people are running these ads right now. Look at, they started May 22nd. They just started this ad and you can see, yeah, you can see current ads running. You could search whatever you want. Anyway, guys, there's a bunch of ways for you to find winning products. The key is just to test these things. You're not sure these are winning products until you try it out yourself. But those are the two ways I always look for products. There's all kinds of tools online to help you find winning products. There's like Thieve.co is a website. Actually, it's a Chrome extension that will help you find winning products. There's all kinds of websites you can get subscriptions for to help you find winning products. But what I usually do is I just look on Aliexpress, like I just showed you, and I will look through Facebook ads that have already been posted and just see how well well they're doing. And again, the only thing I look for is I look for products that are unique, that are going to be hard to find in stores or things that people have never seen before. You want a product that solves a problem. That way you can market it as the solution to somebody's problem. And you want something that is selling, has a lot of orders, because you may think it's a good product, but if it's not proven, I wouldn't recommend testing it. Although, hey, you never know. But if you really want to just go out, get out of the gate with just a winning product, that's how you find one. That's how I find one anyway. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you like this video, thumbs up, and subscribe to me if you want more content on Shopify or business advice in general. Thanks so much, guys. See you in the next video.